good day. My name is Precious Irishman Arnovino. This is my brother. My name is Marvin Arnovino. I'm grade 4 section Giho, Santa Catarina Elementary School. Under my science teacher, Mr. Harley B. Garciga. My home-based collaboration, family interactive video project. It's all about thermometer using weather.
Pwede pa.
May mama yung sila.
Huwag mo maingay. Pick yung pa.
Naman. Tinagin. Bakit mo na yan? What is thermometer? Thermometer used in healthcare to measure and monitor body temperature. Who invented the thermometer? Gabriel Panuhit.